Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a website traffic campaign inside the Snapchat ads plan. So once we log into the account, we can start creating a new campaign. And this time we're going to select traffic. And here you can create a campaign. So let's say we're creating a manual campaign. You can start giving all the details. So first is the name of the campaign. Then we can decide the start date of the campaign. Once we provide all this information, then we can go ahead and go next and give the ad set name over here. So now you can see here, we can choose web as the traffic. Okay, this is the traffic, drive traffic to your website. So this is relevant, which we're using. The goal is maximize number of clicks. So the performance goal is now becoming clicks because when people click on the ads, it will make them visit our website and we will get website traffic. So you want to keep it as maximize number of clicks. If you want to change the bid from auto bid, which is the automated bidding strategy, you can also do so. You can make it a manual bid as per what you want to set in this manner, or else if you want, you can keep it as auto bid, which is where Snapchat will decide what to bid for every click. Then we can give the budget for the campaign. We can also do the location targeting here and demographics targeting here. Then you can choose your audience targeting like we saw earlier as well. So in this manner, you can choose your audience targeting. You can also add your custom audiences right here. Then comes the device level targeting. If you don't touch it, it will be targeting all the devices. And then the delivery, you want to keep it as standard or accelerated. Standard means that the ads will be shown evenly throughout the day. Accelerated means ads can be shown really fast. Let's say you have a certain event coming up for which you're advertising. So before the event, you would like to aggressively run your ads. So then you can choose accelerated. So that's how it's going to work out. Once you give all this information, then we will be moving to the next level, which is the ad creation part. This is going to be a traffic ad and a single image ad or a story ad based on your requirement. You can choose that. Let's say we're choosing a story ad. And here you can upload the file. So let's say we can select the image from here. In this particular manner. And then you can also give the website URL. You can also give the call to action right here. You can see this is the ad which has been created, and then we can review it once. If there is any issue, we can have a look at it. Headline is required over here, logo is required. So let's provide that. Okay, so the headline. We can provide the information in this particular way. Logo also we will have to provide. So let's have a look at So here we can upload the logo. Let's have a look at this. So here you will have to provide the logo which will come on the ad. Okay, so this is how the ad will get created. Once we have this in place, then we can publish the campaign. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now the process, how a website traffic campaign is getting created. Okay, once the campaign is reviewed by Snapchat and they approve the campaign, then the campaign can go live. You can see now, this is our traffic campaign which we have created. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.